Here's a strange fact about sleep. You actually can't snore while dreaming. Dreams mostly happen during a stage of sleep called REM sleep. During REM sleep, your body becomes almost completely paralyzed. This prevents you from acting out your dreams. Because of this paralysis, the muscles that cause snoring usually relax in a different way. So snoring mostly happens outside of REM sleep, which means if someone is snoring loudly, they probably aren't dreaming at that moment. Follow and comment for mind-blowing facts.